How to delete a YouTube link from TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you delete a YouTube link from your TikTok account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open TikTok app with your account. Alright, so once you open the TikTok app with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so now from this profile section, you'll have to just tap on this edit profile option. Okay, so from this edit profile section, you'll be able to find the YouTube link from this link section. So simply tap on this link section. Okay, so from here, you'll be able to find your YouTube link here. So to remove that, you'll have to just tap on this YouTube link. Alright, so now from here, tap on this confirm option. Okay, so as you can see, I have successfully deleted a YouTube link from my TikTok account. So this is the easiest and simplest method to perform that. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.